been a historic week here at the New York Stock Exchange for Robertson Ryan. They have officially started trading here at the NYSE. To talk more about this, I am joined with the CEO, Ed Alessandro, and Mark Mueller. He is the Managing Director of NYSE Sales. I mean, congratulations. You're officially here at the NYSE. Why was this so significant for you, Ed?
Well, equity secondary trading is one of our strongest offerings at Robertson Ryan. We had a very strong team to begin with, but we would need to expand our offerings for our customers. So working with Mark and his team, bringing on his great staff, is just going to allow us to provide better service to our customers.
And Mark, can you take us through the suite of offerings that you have here?
We do everything here. We trade equities, and we are very good at getting at the point of sale. We do a lot of IPOs, a lot of 10b-18 company buybacks. So we offer everything to do with equities on the floor. We take advantage of everything being at the point of sale.
And you said since listing here at the NYSE, you've actually gotten outreach from people that you haven't heard from in a while, right?
That's right. This is such an iconic building. People have reached out to us to congratulate us for this combination. It's so exciting because it gives us another dimension. Being a disabled minority firm is something that we really like, and I think Ed could speak to the give back that the firm does for that.
Yeah, actually, Ed, why don't you take me through the company's mission and how the NYSE can help with that mission?
Absolutely. So we're actually one of the oldest veteran firms on Wall Street. We started in 1987, and we do everything. We do debt underwriting, equity underwriting. We do equity, fixed income, equity and fixed income trading. But coming down here, so one of the things that's most important about our firm is our social mission. So we give off top line revenue back to organizations that are working with veterans every single day. So any dollar we make, we're dividing it among some of these firms that helping vets with PTSD, buying wheelchairs for severely disabled veterans who have lost limbs or are paralyzed, putting children through college who lost a parent in combat and things like that. So it's really important for us to be down here, like I said, offering new offerings to our customers and just expanding our business.
That's amazing. Truly, truly great work. Now let's talk more about what investors what's on top of mind for investors right now. What are some of the biggest questions that we're seeing in the investment community?
Yeah, so what we're hearing from our customers is how much better can things get? I think if you look at, the S&P is up 7% this year, trading at a PE of around 27. High yield and investment grade credit spreads are close to 10-year tights. Actually, all markets are doing well, with the exception of commercial real estate. And a lot of that was predicated on the fact that the Fed was going to be cutting interest rates by quite a bit early in the year. And we don't think that's going to happen anymore. I think if you look at the economic numbers, consumer spending is still strong, GDP is strong. Inflation, while coming down, is still elevated. So the question becomes, like, what reason would the Fed have to cut interest rates? What problem are they solving? And they've kind of indicated that they don't want to lower rates than to only raise them again later if inflation spikes again. So we got another economic number coming tomorrow. The non-farm payroll was very strong in January. You've got another, probably looking at another strong number in February. So they're probably not likely to be cutting interest rates until December. And so then that kind of brings you back again to, like, what do the markets care about? And so you can right now buy risk-free T-bills at a 5.30 yield versus, let's say, a triple B 5-year corporate bond at 5.5 to 5.80, or the S&P at a 27 PE. So that risk-free T-bill at 5.30 looks pretty attractive. So our customers are wondering if they should be taking chips off the table.
And we'll be looking for that update. Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you, Mark.